Okay, today we'll be opening up this used Napa Platinum oil filter, number 41348. And I got this used Napa Platinum oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is Dwayne DeSisto from New Hampshire. Thanks, Dwayne. This oil filter was in service for 2 months, 5,483 miles, and came off of Dwayne's 2020 Ford Escape. Yep, the one with a 1.5 liter 3-cylinder engine, which now has 76,561 miles. He was using Pennzoil Ultra 5W20 full synthetic oil during this period. Let's open up this used Napa Platinum oil filter and see how it did. So let's get started.
You gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration.
Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. Date code 121422DG. And this filter has a sticker on it. And right here it says, Made in USA. And this filter has 7 inlet holes, metal core with louvers, bypass valve at the dome end, 3 grooves there for threads, and a nitro rubber gasket, which is on here pretty good. I'll put the thickness of this gasket up on the screen. Nice thick gasket. That looks nice. Okay, let's open this filter up, see what it looks like. That should be good enough. Let's see. There it goes. Alright, let's put that to the side. Okay. Valve. Anti-drain back valve. Yeah, it looks good. I don't see no slits in it, no cuts. Base plate. It fits on there nice. Yeah, that all looks good. I seen something that looked like I think it's just a sliver of the paint when I cut it. Filter element. Okay, we got nice clean end caps. It's got a bypass valve right here, and this has a setting of 8 to 11 psi. It's nice and clean here. No excess glue. Okay. Metal crimp seam. Little excess glue right here. And I'll put the number of pleats up on the screen. But this is a full synthetic media, and I couldn't find any micron rating on this filter. Yeah, this all looks pretty good. This filter should be pretty clean because Dwayne told me that he used this filter back in last July, and they went on a trip to Florida. So this filter's got about 4,000 miles of highway miles. So it should be pretty clean, I would think. Okay. And the can. Leaf spring. Don't want to quite focus there, but it's got a nice curvature to it. So it looks good. The oil looks pretty good. Look, it's got a nice color to it. Yeah, the oil looks pretty good in there. I just see a couple little things there, little spots there. That ain't bad. Looks really good. And I'll put the thickness of the can up on the screen also, and also how many flutes it has. and the width. But yeah, the can looks good. I love it sitting like that. It'll drain out. Okay. So everything looks pretty good. Let me get the width. Okay, we got 2.51 inches wide minus 1/10 of an inch. Or let's just call it 2.50 minus 1/10 of an inch. All right, let's cut this filter open, squeeze it out, stretch it out, and see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, so here's this Napa Platinum oil filter all stretched out, and it's 48 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.89 millimeters thick. Okay, this is the filtering side, the back side. And if we take a look at this under a microscope, you're going to see that it caught some soot particles, carbon particles. But it's not too many. Let's take a look at that picture. And as you can see, it did catch a few soot and carbon particles. And let's take a look at this filter up close. So it's mostly, you can see like soot in between in the seams itself. Otherwise it looks pretty clean. There's quite a bit over here. Okay, and I want to mention this polymer backing that this filter has. This is what came off of it. You know, it gets discolored. This is what it looks like when it's new. But after it gets used, it just gets discolored a little bit. This is definitely a polymer backing. And let's take a look at the rest of the filter. Okay, so we already went over all of this. Gaskets, anti-drain back valve, and the leaf spring. This is all the polymer backing that it had. And the can, let's look at the can. You can see there's nothing really in here. I mean, I can touch this stuff. Yeah, it's nothing. Nothing. It's pretty clean. The only thing we gotta look at is the louver. So you hit the light. Take a look at these louvers. Yep, they're opened up. They look fine. What inside there? Yep, that all looks good in there. I didn't bother ripping these apart because this is on here really good. Yeah. So I think this Napa Platinum oil filter did a very good job. What do you guys think? And again, I want to thank Dwayne for sending me this used Napa Platinum oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and take care.